everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. In the case, if you want to remove your fingerprint, is something really easy to do it. So now I'm gonna show you how to remove your fingerprint in Infinix GT10 Pro. Alright, firstly, if you want to remove your fingerprint, now you have to go to Settings menu. And then go to Security. And then go to Fingerprint. Alright, you have to confirm your pattern first. And then click Finger 1 over there. And click Delete. Alright, you can ensure to delete your finger 1. And your fingerprint has been deleted from your phone. Alright, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.